In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vertical video in Squarespace. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll share a few helpful tips so everything looks great on both desktop and mobile. Start in your Squarespace dashboard. On the left-hand panel, click Website. This brings you into the area where you manage your site's content and files. From here, click Assets. Think of Assets as your site's file library. This is where your media lives, so you can easily reuse it across pages. Click the Upload button, then choose your vertical video from your computer. A vertical clip is typically a 9:16 aspect ratio, like what you'd shoot on a phone. For best results, use a web-friendly MP4 file and keep the size reasonable so it uploads and plays smoothly. While it's uploading, give it a clear file name so it's easy to find in a moment. Once the upload finishes, head back to Website and open Pages. This is where you'll decide exactly where the video should live. Go to the page where you want to add your video and open that page's editor. Now, click Add Block. You'll see a panel of different content blocks you can use. Find the video block, then drag and drop it into the spot on your page where you want the video to appear. After you place it, double-click the block to open its settings. In the video settings, choose to select the video from your uploaded library. You'll see the file you just uploaded in Assets. Pick that one. Squarespace will link it to the block, and you'll see a preview appear in the editor. Give it a moment if processing is still wrapping up. That's the core workflow. A couple of quick tips to make your vertical video shine. Because the video is tall, centering the block in a section with a single column often gives it room to breathe. If you notice empty space on either side on desktop, that's normal for vertical content. It will fill the screen more naturally on mobile. Make sure the first frame or the automatically generated poster image looks good, since that's what visitors see before they press play. And if file size was large, consider compressing your original for faster loading next time. Faster videos keep visitors engaged. And there you go. You clicked Website, opened Assets to upload your vertical video, went to Pages, added a video block, and selected your file from the library. That's all you need to place a vertical video neatly on your Squarespace page.